Hi guys, Katie here, and today I'm going to be showing you some tips on how to install lights on an indoor fresh Christmas tree. Before I bring this tree inside, I always cut a couple inches off the bottom of the truck to allow it to take on water. As soon as I get it in that stand, I water that tree and let the branches warm up so they relax from being cold outside. When I unpackage my lights, I make them into a ball of lights so that they're easy to handle as I work my way around the tree, and I go section by section with each strand, wrapping every branch individually to distribute the lights evenly around that tree. To make a ball of lights, you start with the female end of that strand in your palm and wrap it around your hand just like you would a ball of yarn. That way you have your male end ready to go to plug into your extension cord and then into the outlet. I always work with the lights on to ensure that they all work properly. Every once in a while I'll have an old strand that doesn't work all the way. And then I use my cell phone to find any dark areas that I may have missed while applying the lights. That way throughout the season I'm not upset with myself for missing a spot. That funnel right there is a great tool for watering the tree. It makes it much easier to dump water down that tube and down into the stand. And this stand is absolutely my favorite. It holds about 3 gallons of water and supports a tree up to 12 feet tall. This tree is about 7 feet. And then I use a button for my extension cord. Both the funnel and these buttons can be found at Walmart, Target, Menards, any big box store like that in the Christmas department, and makes life so much easier to turn your lights on and off every day and to water your tree. Hopefully you guys found some tips that were helpful, and if you have any good tips for decorating, feel free to leave them below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching.